Hello students, today let's go out in the garden to enjoy the nature. Yes, it has been a long time that we are at home during this lockdown period. Wow, it's a beautiful garden with lovely fresh and green plants. Yes, my dear students, it has a lot of plants of different size and color with different types of leaves. Aren't they so fresh, lovely and green plants? Yes, they are. You know, students, the leaves of the plant make a difference in the plants. Different plants have different leaves. The leaves of peepal tree have heart-like shape. The leaves of banana plant have long, flat-shaped leaf. The leaves of grass have sword-like pointed shape. So students, by now, I'm sure you must have understood the topic for the day is leaves. Yes, the leaves. These leaves are the world's natural food factory. Why? Because green plants prepare their own food mostly in the leaves. So students, let's first learn about different parts of a leaf to understand the food making process better. So students, let's learn about the different parts of a leaf to understand the food making process. As I told you, these leaves are the kitchen of the plant as they prepare the food for the plants. Now, if we look at this leaf, we will see the thin, flat part of the leaf, which is called the leaf blade or lamina. So, this part of the leaf is called as leaf blade or lamina. Right, students? The outer surface of the leaf has a waxy coating that protects the leaf. Now, the part of the leaf blade, the part of the leaf blade that connects to the stem is called the stalk or petiole. This part which connects the stem and the leaf blade is called the stalk or petiole. Petiole, petiole. Now, if you see this very carefully, the line that runs in the center of a leaf blade is called the main vein or the mid-rib. That is, if we see the line which is running at the center. Can you see this line? Children, this line is called the main vein or the mid-rib. Can you see this line better? This line is main vein or mid-rib. Now students, if you see the line that runs parallel to each other, can you see these lines on the leaf blade? These lines that are running parallel to each other from the main vein. This is your main vein, and these lines, they run parallel on the leaf blade. These are called the side veins. The lines on both sides of the main vein are called the side veins. The side veins. Now students, if you look more closely at the underside of the leaf through a microscope, that makes you won't be able to see through your naked eyes. For this you need to have a microscope, and if you see the backside of the leaf through a microscope, you will see the tiny openings, tiny small pores, and these tiny spores are called stomata. As you know, you can see the part of the leaf was seen through a microscope, and this is the larger view of this part of the leaf. It has got small pores over here, and they open with the sunlight, and these pores, these small openings, are known as stomata. Stomata are the pores in the leaf that allow gas exchange, where water vapor leaves the plant and carbon dioxide enters. The green color of the leaf is due to the presence of chloroplast, right? Because of the presence of this structure, chloroplast, we have the green colors in the leaves. And these chloroplasts contains the green pigments called chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll is responsible for preparing the food for the plant. Now students, very quickly, let's take the quick recap of the different parts of a leaf. We have the stalk or petiole, which connects the leaf blade to the stem. Then we have leaf blade or lamina, which is a top flat surface of the leaf. Main vein or midrib, which is the line running at the center of the leaf blade, followed by the side veins, which are the lines that runs parallel to one another from the main vein. Now students will be discussing about the food making process, that is photosynthesis. Green plants require water, carbon dioxide and sunlight to prepare food, which is done mostly by the leaves. Do you know which part of the plants help to absorb water from the soil? Yes, you are right. It is the roots. Roots absorb water from the soil and send it to the stem. The stem carries water to the other parts of the plant, including leaves. Carbon dioxide required to make food is taken in from the atmosphere along with other gases through the small pores in the leaves called stomata. Chlorophyll. The green pigment in the leaves absorbs the sunlight that falls on the leaves and combines it with water and carbon dioxide to make glucose in the form of sugar. This is stored in the form of starch. During this process, plants release oxygen as a byproduct. Almost all other living things use this oxygen for breathing. This food making process in plants is called photosynthesis, as some light is used as source of energy. Photo means light, synthesis means to put together. Plants use only some of the food for growth and to repair damaged parts. The rest of the food is stored in different parts like fruit, stem, leaves and root. This stored food is eaten by humans and plant-eating animals. Thank you.